Ofwsadubai. So today we vlog about the makeup, simple AC makeup tutorial. So how to apply the foundation on the dry skin. So before that we start the vlog, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video. And then disclaimer lang tayo, pwede nyong isi-skip yung video ko kung ayaw nyong manood. So let me start. So today, paano ba how you apply your foundation on the dry skin? So ako, dry skin man ako kasi nga nowadays is the summer. So I will show you what is the foundation I'm using when I'm going day off. This BB cream. This is the foundation, and then we have this the Premier Gel foundation. So before ka mag-apply ng foundation, so we use this first. So mayroon din akong what is this? Kilay, yung eyebrow, and then yung sponge for foundation. Yun. Ito yung sponge foundation ko kapag mag-apply ka ng any makeup in your face. So, simple lang ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba tayo mag-apply ng foundation on the dry skin during the summer. So, let me start, guys. So, una-una, this is the foundation Premier Gel. So, mayroon ding serum oil, pero hindi ako gumagamit ng serum oil. So, ito lang yung ginagamit ko. Premier foundation gel. So, why we use this? Because in the face, because if you apply this and then after that the foundation, the result is smooth and bright your skin. So let me start. So like that, konti lang i-apply nyo, guys. Yan, hindi lang, guys. Yan, i-rub to gently in your face. Yun, guys, i-rub nyo yun gently over in your face. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo, itong tinatawag na Premier Gel. Para yung result ng foundation nyo sa pag-apply nyo ng foundation is smooth and bright. So, guys, so wait, I have tissue. So, ito naman yung foundation. Yan. I-apply natin yung foundation. This is BB cream number 1. So, yan. Ito yung gusto kong kulay. Yan. The color, the texture of the foundation is ivory. Kasi ayoko ng masyadong dark na brown. Gusto ko yung ivory color. Ito, guys. Yan. Dahil lang. Bakit ayaw mag-uno? Ayaw mag-open, guys. Ayan na. Oh my God, ayaw mag-open. Ano nangyari? Dahil lang, guys. Baka na-stuck. Yun, guys, so nilagay ko sa kamay ko. Konti lang ilalagay natin. Yan. Dali lang. And then, you use the sponge. Makeup sponge. Marami kasi ito eh. So, I select the that. Ayan, irarap mo siya. You use in your face in full coverage in your face, the foundation. So guys, this is only how to apply my foundation to end my dry skin during the summertime when I'm going day off, like this. After that guys, the result, this is only the result. Yeah, you see, it's very smooth and bright. Only a small, this is the full coverage to put the foundation in your face. Yan. So, ito yung pencil ko. So, I'm using only I put eyebrow in my eyes. So, ganyan. Ganyan guys. So kasi nga, kasi yung kilay ko guys, naka-trading na siya. So, ginagaya ko na, madali lang paglagay ng eyebrow. Ganyan. Ganyan guys. So, that's all the result of the foundation. I apply foundation. This is the baby cream nude AVZ Beauty, and then the texture is ivory. Yan. This is the first I apply the foundation Premi Gel in my face. So if you look, you see how the bright, how the smooth in your face. This is only simple. I'm using the foundation in my face, and then I put, nowadays not put the lipstick because we wear the mask. So only important how you put the foundation full coverage in your face in the dry skin. Yun guys. So ito yun guys. Yan. Ito yung sponge cloth ko. Yan. Yan. Ito naman yung eyebrow ko. Yun lang guys. This is the simple, easy how to apply the foundation in dry skin in my own way, like that guys. So that's all guys. So we shout out before we end our the vlog. So shout out muna tayo. Shout out kay Lani Garcia Ulaco ma'am, Family Sangkap, Yula Channel ma'am, shout out. Rose Longi, shout out. Daily Inspiration, shout out. Gang Official, shout out. Luto Jade, shout out. Pulutan ni Tambayan, shout out. Zen Vlog, shout out. Food and Lecture, shout out. And Mama's Cooking Simple, shout out. Yun lang guys. Hope mayroon kayong natutunan sa vlog ko today about how to make up easy. So that's all, and have a nice day. Bye-bye!